Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you a step-by-step process of how to install front coilovers on your Challenger or Charger. Yes, they're both exactly the same and they even use the same model coilovers. First things first, you're going to get your car in the air and make sure that it is secure. As many of you may know, this car is extremely heavy and studies have shown that you can crush 3 full-grown elephants with its weight. For this I suggest 2 jack stands since you'll be needing your jack lift later on. Pay attention and try not to skip around in this video since there will be some important tips I'll be giving you. WD-40 is essential as some of the screws have not been turned in years, and along with dirt and rust, they can become near impossible to move without it. An impact wrench is not necessary, although it can make the job a lot easier. Alright, this is probably the toughest part since it took some trial and error to figure out. There are a few things I want you to notice here. First, you'll notice that the 2 parts seem to be stuck together after many years of being under pressure. After completely covering the area with WD-40 and a few hits with the hammer, it will come loose. Next thing you'll notice is that you can spin this thing infinitely and you'll get nowhere. Notice how the screw can be held with an Allen key to stop it from spinning. One very important thing to note is that you need to be very careful when removing this part, as it will come crashing down afterwards. I damn near castrated myself trying to take it off. A good starting point for the length of the coilovers is to put it at the same height as your previous struts. Keep in mind that the springs will take some time to break in and can drop as much as an inch or 2. I recommend waiting a week to see how much they move and then going in again and adjusting them accordingly. After this, it's all downhill and you're basically just going to reverse the process and put everything back together. Here's where that jack lift comes in handy, and you can use it to lift up different parts to line up for your screws. Here's another good part where the jack lift comes in handy. Oh. Thank you for watching. I have a few plans for this car as well as my S2000. Stay tuned and don't miss out. Peace.